Okay, Daddy.
She's been picking this okra. Look here. There. Now, plenty of mine a little late. And mine's about this high.
Oh.
But I'm going to be picking okra for a long. That's beautiful.
We're here at the French Potager. Our new friend. She makes the flowers and the centerpieces for Bay St. Louis for the Pearl Hotel down the road. Right down there. This is our friend Shawn. She's visiting for Mama's 82nd birthday. There's Papa over there on the golf cart, ready to go for a ride. What's that, Daddy?
I'm not sure. That's why I dropped it.
Oh.
If I was sure, it was at 80.
I know.
I know what this is.
Is this a weed or is that supposed to be a...
That's a flower of some type. I'm not sure. This is a mint.
She'll know when
This
she
is
comes.
basil.
Okay, because I
That's
see
basil.
that a lot.
That's basil. This
Oh,
is,
I love
smell
them. Mmm.
As he eats it.
basil. And mine didn't make it.
What is that? Mint?
Yeah. No, that's not.
What is
It's
it?
an herb.
What does it taste like?
Pretty potent.
Let me taste it.
Pretty potent.
Yeah, it is.
So is this. That's peppermint. I love basil.
Me too.
Yeah.
You gotta eat it with the basil. Is there a size that you would say that's a better one, like whether it be a smaller size or a medium size?
Oh.
The smaller, the
That's
better.
pretty powerful, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's got more taste.
But the thing is, my little great grandson, they laugh and he'll go through the yard picking it, smell it.
That kind of basil that's growing, it's got a bunch of seeds on it. What would you recommend? Should I just let them just fall, or should I
Well, if
put
it
it
goes-
in the freezer?
If
or-
it goes to seed, it just starts changing the taste.
Mhm.
But you can take those
Oh,
seeds.
that's funny you say that. I thought maybe it was my lack of watering or something.
No. Because a plant's whole life is to make seeds.
He's kind
and
of
die.
smart.
That's it. All that plant's trying to do is make seeds and it dies.
Oh, so should I go ahead and pick a lot of those seeds that's growing so I can keep the flavor of the plant growing?
Yeah, as long as you can.
Oh, okay.
And
Oh,
you-
I got a bunch of basil, and then basil is coming up from seeds flying too.
I forgot the name of that right there. That grows easy. It's easy to grow, and it's a hell of a good seed. I love